Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Take care of yourself. Be safe. Yesterday we studied about alphabets. What we studied yesterday? Alphabets. Alphabets means what? In English we have a total 26 letters, and these 26 letters are in alphabets. Our alphabets, how many in alphabets, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. Yesterday we studied of capital letters, and we also studied about small letters, right? Capital letters are in same height, and small letters are in different heights. Do you remember yesterday we had taken the alphabets or letters, you can say, in yesterday's period? Okay, then same alphabets, how they are arranged in order. Order means what? In series or in line. Now these alphabets A to Z, now which alphabets are there? There are 26 letters, and these 26 letters are what? They are A to Z. These letters are what? A to Z. And if we will write a word, for example, if I will give you a word REES, okay, so which letter will come first, or which alphabet will come first? If we will start A B C D E is there? Yes, E is there. Then second E is there. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is there? Yes, R is there. And then will come S. Okay, this is called alphabetical order. So, we are going to study today alphabets which are in order. Alphabets which are in order. There is sequence. If first is A, then second is B. If second is B, then what is third? C. What is fourth? D. E, F, G. If I'll ask you which letter is before F, then you should able to tell which letter is before F. A, B, C, D, E, F. E is before F. Which letter is after F? G is after F. Correct? So in this way, each letter is having a place in a series, or you can say in a order. Correct? So your definition is given. The alphabetical order is the proper order of the letters according to the alphabet. Letters are in proper order according to the alphabet. Here example is given, ant. Ant starts with which letter? It starts with A letter. Now after A, which will come? If we will start with, now here all small letters are there, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, ant starts with A. So ant is first. Then after A, which is there? B is there. So bear. After B, what is there? C. So cat. Right? After C, D is there. So deer. After D, E is there. So what is there? Elephant. So in this way, letters are in proper order. Now which is that order? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is order of alphabets, and this order of alphabets we are going to study in today's lesson. Here it is given, here it is told that there are 3 registers: school register, telephone directory, and word dictionary. Are you getting or not? School register, telephone directory, and word dictionary. In this 3 books, or in these 3 books only you can call. Now register is another thing. In register what we do, we write down names in sequence. First we will write down all students names of A, then we will write down all students names of B series, correct or not? B alphabet or B letter. Then we will start all names of students with C alphabet, then D, E, F. That we do in school registers. In your attendance book also we are writing in same sequence. There is another example given here is telephone directory. In telephone directory also names are in alphabetical order, correct? Next one, here it is told dictionary. Now you know dictionary very well. now you are just in first standard, so you might be not knowing dictionary, but then you can see dictionary of your elder ones, correct? You can check dictionary whether in dictionary words are in alphabetical order or not. Yes, first all words of A is given, after that all words of B is given, all words of C is given, all words of D is given till Z, all words are given in proper order. So here it is told that the alphabetical order is the proper order of the letters according to the alphabet. What is given? There is a series, or there is a order. If A is first, then which letter is second? You know it very well. After A, B is there. Like ABC, like 1 to 100 or 1 to 10. You know first is what? 1. Then after 1 what is there? 2 is there. After 2 what is there? 3 is there. In same way, how it is in numbers, in same way in alphabets also, letters are in series or letters are in order. Okay. Now some examples are given in your book here. Question is asked. Arrange the letters in the order of alphabet as shown. Arrange the letters in the order of the alphabet as shown. Now here 6 examples are given. That 6 examples we are going to study. Now first one is done for you. First one is what? C, D, S, O. Okay. Now what will be the correct sequence? A, B, C. C is there? Yes. D, D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. O. O is there first. O. P, Q, R, S, S. So this is answer. Correct. Second example which is given over here is I, V, G and K. Now we are going to write down letters in sequence. Next one is X, B, N, E. After that is H, A, W, F. Come on, one by one we will take one example. Okay. Now if I'll start with A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is there? Yes. G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I. J, K. K is there? Yes, K. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. V is there? Yes. So this is correct order of alphabets. Next one is now A, B, B. C, D, E. E is there? Yes, E. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. N is there? S. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. X is there. So this is correct. What? This is correct or proper order of letters. Now here we will start. A is first. B, C, D, E, F. F, G, H. H is there. And last one is W. So this is correct sequence of letters. Right? Now next example which is given over here is 4 are over, fifth one. Fifth example which is given over here is D, J, U, R. And sixth example which is given over here is U, O, A, I, E. Now if we will start with alphabet or letter A, B, C, D. D is there? Yes. D. E, F, G, H, I, J, J, K, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R is there? Yes, R is there. And then last will be U. So this is proper order of letters. Now here we'll start. A is there? Yes, A. B, C, D, E is there? Yes, E. F, C, D, E. F, G, H, I. Yes, I is there. J, K, L, M, N, O. O is there. P, Q, and now which is left? A is over, A, I is over, O is over. Only U is left, so last will be U. So this is correct alphabetical order of the letters. This is the correct alphabetical order of the letters which we have done on the board. Have you understood? Now here some pictures are given. You can see here some pictures are given. Write down the word for each picture and then arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Now we are going to write down names of picture. What is first picture? First picture is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. What is second picture? Egg. E-G-G, egg. What is third picture? Bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Which is fourth one? It is a saw. S-A-W, saw. Which is the fourth? It is a camel. So fifth one is camel, not fourth one. Fifth one is camel. Which is sixth one? Sixth one is king. Then write down K-I-N-G, king. And last one is zip. What is last one? Last one is zip. So we have seen pictures. Now if you have grammar books at your house, you can write down names of the pictures. What you can see? Rope. Rope is left, I think so. Yes, one is left. That is your before king. Sixth one is rope. R-O-P-E, rope. Seventh one is king. K-I-N-G, king. And eighth one is zip. Z-I-P, zip. So in this way we have written how many names of pictures? We have written 8 names of the picture. First one is tree, second one is egg, third one is bell, fourth one is saw, fifth one is camel, sixth one is rope, seventh one is king, and last one is zip. Now these all words we are going to write down in alphabetical order, and that words which we are going to write down in alphabetical order, that I will take in next period, and again we will revise same lesson again in next period. Okay, for today you have to complete this. You have to complete this in your notebook. What you can write down? Name of lesson. You can write down name of lesson, the alphabetical order, and in that you can write down first definition was given. You can pause my video and you can write down definition. What is alphabetical order? What is alphabetical order? The alphabetical order is the proper order of the letters according to the alphabet. Okay, examples also I had given. Then write down first question. In first question 6 points are there. That 6 points you write down in your notebook for today's homework. Are you understanding? Please complete your homework, and then about these pictures we will discuss in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.